Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And as a part of exercise, I daily grab a random table topic and to get better at spontaneous speaking. So let me get it. Uh, okay, okay. The importance is if doctor gave you 5 years to live, what would you try to accomplish? If a doctor gave you 5 years to live, what would you try to accomplish? If doctor gave me 5 years to live, what would I try to accomplish? First and foremost thing, when doctor news, gives me this news, I would try to process it and try to, uh, accept it that only have 5 years to live, which I think I have a significant uh, time. In. And then second thing that would come that I would try to do is try to live life to the fullest because now I have a limited time. I would focus on living the life. I believe that the sole purpose of life is to live, not to accomplish something, not to achieve something, not to do like uh, the primary purpose is live. Rest things can come secondary to that. Third thing, after I'm setting up my life and I'm living my life to the fullest and with own kind of people. Then third, I would try to identify like what are the things can I do in the next few years, and I would make a list of those activities, and then I would try to decide which activity, which work will give me the ROI, best ROI. For example, what I believe is, and recently I have read that if a doctor decides to make an impact and he teaches orphan children or like privileged children there is a second task that he can try treating the patients in remote areas or maybe so these two activities, the second activity will give the maximum ROI, right? So because that's what he's supposed to do, he's a doctor, so he can better equipped to treat better rather than teaching someone. Teaching job can be outsourced to someone, or maybe like you can put money and recruit some people and they can get admission to some school or get some education. The point is that your time is limited and you need to identify which activity will give you the maximum ROI. So these are the three things that I would try to do to decide. First, that accept it. Second, I will try to live my life to the fullest and design my life around that. Third, I would identify which activity will give me the best ROI and would devote myself in that. Thank you. Over to you.